Hi guys! So, ngayon, itatry natin tong ND Filters by PG Tech for DJI Pocket 2. So, ayan. Right now, wala tayong ginagamit na ND filter. It's just the basic and raw filter of the DJI Pocket 2. So, ang una nating itry ay wait lang. ND8. So, yan. ND8. Teka lang, recenter natin. Yan. So, we'll try the ND8. Oops. Okay. This is the ND8. ND8. So, let's remove it. Next, ang itatry natin, ngayon wala tayong filter, okay, no filter. Itatry natin next is the ND16. So, okay, wait lang. So, this is the ND16 filter. Okay, next, tanggalin natin yung filter. So, no filter again. Ang itry natin ay ND32. So, this is the ND32 filter. Okay, no filter ulit. Itatry naman natin ang ND64. And so, this is the ND64. Makikita nyo, medyo dark na talaga ako. Yan, dark na talaga tayo. So, tanggalin muna natin yung filter. Yan. So, you've seen the difference ng iba't ibang ND filter. What do you think? Anong mas gusto nyo dun sa lahat ng filters na yon? So, by the way, the PG Tech is magnetic. So, apat yan. Magnetic siya. So, naka-magnet siya. And then, sa may taas niya, doon sa may gilid, nakalagay kung ano yung ND filter number niya. So, meron din siyang cover na ganito, which is magnetic din siya. So, yan. Ganyan. And then to open it, gaganyanin lang. Ganyan na siya. To open. So, pag ganyan mo, tanggal lang. And it also comes with yung pamunas ng lens. So, yon. I'll put the Lazada link on the description box. Thank you!